We back home after a week, so get ready for the airplane camp week 1 vlog. We just got to the airport. Smile. So we're on our way to security, and I have TSA pre-check and she doesn't. So I just like kind of want to go through anyway. So right now I'm just chilling on this bench, waiting for my mommy to get through security. I'm getting on the plane and I'm literally about to cry right now, bruh. So we just landed. I just landed, and this airport is like, well, it feels like Florida, because like, you know, just reminds me of Florida, and you know, that's where we are. So we're on our way to baggage claim right now. So right now, oh my god, you look disgusting. We're just chilling in the airport because another kid who was supposed to be on my flight like wasn't there, and they like can't find him. So hey guys, I'm here with the roommates. We have Angelina, Marguerite, and Maggie. What's up, guys? They let us get McDonald's! We're just chilling in the bathroom. We had to walk to the ROTC thing and it was really hot, and now hopefully we're gonna go do something else, and I want to swim tonight. So I'll tell you guys if we do swim.
Hey.
We out here in the computer lab.
Why?
Playing our cool math games. Yeah, we got cool math games.
You're videoing this on your regular video on camera?
Hey, I'm gonna need you guys all to shut up.
It's for the vlog.
Alright, don't deal.
Go. Yes, we out here. We're gonna fly today.
You're gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw up.
Alright, hold the camera this way.
Yeah, Ram, like, why are you doing your vlog? No, now it's too late.
You
Now it's too late.
it doesn't matter. We out here. Clickbait. World's biggest engine. Oh. What's up, guys? So right now we're chilling in a van and it's really hot out because we're supposed to like do this thing, but they can't get the thing open, so like we gotta sit in a hot van. We out here at the orphan table.
Out, they cannot like climb, descend, turn left or turn right. But like the last flight, they were able to move through crowds, move through turbulence, track GPS. So I'm really proud of them, and I wish they have a really good time.
Yes! Last day, boys. Everybody about to leave. Week 1! Week 1, boys! Hey, boys, we about to head out. Everyone say bye. Yay.
No.
Hey, boys, we about to head out.